that's hot. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, DriveTalkCars. First time, welcome. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back, checking me out. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, give me the thumbs up. Greatly appreciate that. And thanks for checking me out. So today, I'm going to be doing the first modification for the Maserati. Very simple. Nothing extravagant. Alright, so we're going to be replacing the lights that's under here that shines down on the ground. There's a little light that shines down. We're going to be replacing it with a light that actually will show the Maserati logo and the word Maserati. So when you open the door, you'll see the logo shine on the ground. Pretty cool, pretty inexpensive mod. Pretty simple, hopefully. It should be plug and play. But just got the package from Amazon, so let's get to it. All right, let's see what we got. So it's from a company called 3D Shade Light. Don't know if they're good or not, but came across it. The missus said let's do it, so let's do it. First mod for the Maserati. So it comes with 2 wires. I guess they're like extender wires if you needed more cable, I'm assuming. And we have the actual lights. Well, this looks pretty plug and play, pretty simple. Let's see how easy it is. So you get 2 of them. So we're gonna do the, you can actually do all 4. We just bought 2 to check it out and see what it's gonna do. So we're just gonna be doing the driver and the passenger side. So let's get to it. All right. So I'm assuming this is just a, any instruction with this thing? Absolutely not, but we can figure it out. So I'm gonna take a little screwdriver and push it in and see what happens. Okay, so I just got a little flathead screwdriver. I'm just gonna stick it in here and see if I can, oh, well that did it. See that? And that just comes out like that. Oh, that's hot. Holy. Caution. Don't touch this black piece. It's hot as hell. I think I burnt myself. So just pushing this little white tab in. And there you go. So they should match up. Okay, so there's a little dilemma. These 2 tips are different. These 2 tips are different. This is factory. This is aftermarket. So a little tip here is different. So you have to use this cable here and stick it in here. Like that. Is it focusing? There we go. This cable goes into here. And they give you 2 of these. So we're gonna stick that in there. And then my assumption is this tip here goes into here. Can you see that? Oh shoot, did I break my phone? So these cables go into here. Black with black, color with the color. I must say, this feels very It was a little bootleg, but we'll see what it do. Then we're just gonna stick it back underneath there. Like so. Alright. Let's see what we get on the ground. There it is. That was painless. Nice. So now we're gonna do this to the other side. But that looks really good. Maserati on the ground. Okay, I see. Not bad. That's what you will see at night. Alright, well, let's do the other side. There you have it on the other side. So we got the driver's side. Has it. Open that door like that. And bow. There you go. We got it on both sides. Maserati like that. That looks good. First mod down. Alright, as a quick recap, I installed the first mod on the Maserati Ghibli SQ4. What we did, we just installed the, I think they call them driveway lights, or anyways, the light that shines underneath the door when you open it up. Some cars have it, some cars don't, but so we just replaced them with some aftermarket, got it on Amazon, and when you open the door, shines the Maserati logo and name on the ground, on the driver and the passenger side. Very simple task, took about 10 minutes, and then all you needed was just a little screwdriver or something going there to poke it so you can, because it has a little clip that holds it in place. You just push that clip in and then pull it down, and then just unplug with another little clip when it goes in the light socket. Unclip that, clip that, you're in business. So first mod down. Remember, keep your original parts because this is aftermarket, and aftermarket lights especially tend to go out, so make sure you keep your original parts. This came with a Ziploc bag, so that's cool. Just put it in there and then just put it somewhere safe. That way you can remember that you have it, and you can always use it in case the lights go out and you don't have a chance to replace them real quick, so you have your backup. As always, thanks for checking out my channel. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and until next time, I'm out. If you see a little sweat, it's because I'm in the garage and it's hot. It's like 90 degrees at 9 o'clock at night. It's ridiculous. Anyway, do it for the YouTube. Out.